The world holds secrets in its quietest corners. Here, far from any map we know, lies a valley bathed in soft light. The sun climbs over the eastern peaks, its rays cutting through the morning mist. They touch the tops of ancient trees, their leaves shimmering like 1,000 tiny mirrors. The air is still, holding the scent of damp earth and pine. Below, a river snakes through the land, its surface as smooth as polished glass. It reflects the deep blue of the sky above, a perfect, unbroken canvas. This is a place that feels as if it has been waiting, holding its breath for an eternity. Listen closely. The only sound is the gentle whisper of the wind as it moves through the tall grasses. It tells a story without words, a song of solitude and immense space. Each blade of grass sways in a slow, hypnotic dance, catching the light in waves of gold and green. A lone eagle glides high above, its wings spread wide against the vast expanse. It circles slowly, a silent observer in this kingdom of stillness. Down on the ground, life moves with the same unhurried grace. A herd of deer drinks from the river's edge, their movements careful and deliberate, completely at ease in their hidden sanctuary. The light here plays tricks on the eye, shadows stretch long and deep, concealing what lies within them. They create a world of contrasts, where brilliant light meets profound darkness. Every rock, every tree, every creature seems to be part of a great silent painting. This is nature in its purest form, a masterpiece sculpted by time and the elements. It is a place that invites you to simply stand and watch, to feel the immense peace that radiates from the land itself. The silence is not empty. It is full of life, full of secrets waiting to be understood. We have traveled far to reach this place, guided only by whispers and rumors. It is a journey into the unknown, a pilgrimage to a world hidden from our own. Here, the rules of our busy lives fall away. Time seems to slow down, measured not by clocks, but by the rising and setting of the sun. The air is clean, the water is pure, and the land is untouched. It is a powerful reminder of what our planet can be when left to its own devices. A world of profound beauty and quiet majesty, holding its ancient stories close. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories and hidden wonders. Join us as we continue to explore the secrets of our world. As we venture deeper, the landscape begins to change. The open valley gives way to a narrow canyon, its walls rising steeply on either side. Here, the wind has a different voice. It howls softly as it funnels through the massive rock formations, creating a sound that is both haunting and beautiful. The river flows faster now, its gentle murmur replaced by a steady, powerful rush. Sunlight struggles to reach the canyon floor, casting long, dramatic shadows that shift with the passing hours. The air grows cooler, filled with the fresh spray of the rushing water. It feels as if we are entering a more sacred, more guarded part of this hidden world. It is here that we find the first sign. Carved into the canyon wall, almost hidden by moss and shadow, is a symbol. It is not a mark of nature. It is precise, deliberate, and unfamiliar. It resembles a soaring bird, its wings outstretched, encircled by a perfect, unbroken ring. It is weathered by time, yet its lines remain clear and strong. It speaks of a presence, a group of people who know this land intimately. Who are they? And why do they remain hidden from the world? The symbol offers no answers, only more questions. It is a quiet testament to a story we are only just beginning to uncover. Looking closer at the environment, other clues emerge. Along the riverbank, stones are arranged in patterns that defy natural formation. They are too orderly, too intentional. They seem to guide the flow of smaller streams, creating pools of still, clear water where fish gather in abundance. It is a subtle manipulation of the landscape, done with a delicate and knowing hand. It is not an act of destruction, but one of harmony. It suggests a deep understanding of this ecosystem, a partnership with nature rather than a conquest of it. This is the work of people who do not seek to control the wild, but to become a part of it. The feeling of being watched grows stronger here. It is not a threatening presence but a curious one. From the high ledges of the canyon, a mountain goat observes our progress, its silhouette stark against the sliver of sky. Its gaze is steady, unwavering. It seems to be a guardian of this place, a silent sentinel for those who dwell here. The wildlife in this canyon is not fearful. It is watchful, aware. It is as if every living creature is part of a silent agreement, a shared secret. We are visitors in their world, a world protected by more than just rock and shadow. We follow the river as it leaves the canyon, spilling out into a wide, open plain. The sun is high in the sky now, bathing the landscape in a brilliant, almost blinding light. In the distance, a sight of incredible power and grace unfolds. A herd of bison moves across the grassland, their dark forms a stark contrast to the golden fields. They move as one, a great flowing river of life. Their pace is slow, measured, and unstoppable. They are the kings of this domain, their presence a symbol of untamed strength and resilience. They are the heart of this land, their hooves beating a slow, steady rhythm against the earth. Among them, we see something extraordinary. Walking alongside the herd are figures. They are not startling the animals. They are part of the herd. Dressed in simple, earth-toned clothing that blends with the landscape, they move with the same calm and steady purpose as the bison. They carry no visible tools or weapons. Their hands are often rested gently on the backs of the great beasts. It is a display of trust that seems impossible, a bond forged over a great length of time. These are the people of the symbol, the silent protectors of this land. They are the secret branch of a nation, hidden in plain sight. They are sentinels, not of borders drawn on a map, but of life itself. Their mission is not one of conflict, but of preservation. They are here to learn from the natural world, to understand its rhythms, its power, and its fragility. They study the flight of the eagle, the strength of the bison, the patience of the ancient trees. Their knowledge is not found in books, but in observation, in listening, in being present. They have become so attuned to this environment that they are almost invisible within it. Their purpose is to ensure that places like this will always exist, safe from the noise and chaos of the outside world. As we watch from a distance, one of them turns their head, their gaze meeting ours across the plain. There is no hostility in their eyes, only a calm, profound understanding. It is a look that acknowledges our presence without alarm. In that single, silent moment, a message is conveyed. It says that we are welcome to observe, but we must respect the sanctity of this place. They are the guardians of a great secret, and that secret is the simple, powerful truth of the natural world. Their duty is to protect it, and in doing so, they protect a part of humanity we have long forgotten. As dusk settles, the sky transforms into a canvas of deep purples and fiery oranges. The air cools quickly, and a profound silence descends upon the plain. The figures lead the bison herd toward the river, which now glows with the reflected colors of the sunset. The water is calm, its surface mirroring the sky so perfectly that it is hard to tell where the land ends and the heavens begin. It is a moment of pure, breathtaking beauty, a time when the world seems to pause and reflect upon the day that has passed. The sentinels and the animals drink from the river together, a quiet ritual at the close of day. This is where their true purpose becomes clearer. This is not just a military branch, it is a school of thought, a way of life. Their training is not in combat, but in connection. They learn to read the wind, to understand the language of the river, and to feel the pulse of the earth. They are tasked with the highest form of national service, to be the keepers of the country's natural soul. They ensure that the wild heart of the nation continues to beat, strong and steady, even if no one else knows it is there. Their work is a quiet promise, a vow to protect the very essence of the land they serve. Their purpose is woven into the fabric of this place. They do not build bases or fences. Their camp is the open sky, their walls are the mountains, and their roof is the canopy of stars that emerges as darkness falls. They live with the land, not on it. This deep integration is their greatest strength and their most effective camouflage. They have learned that true power does not come from technology or force, but from alignment with the natural world. By protecting these pristine environments, they are safeguarding a source of strength, wisdom, and resilience that a nation can draw upon in times of need. We watch as the last light fades and the stars begin to fill the night sky. The Milky Way stretches overhead like a luminous cloud, brighter and clearer here than anywhere else. The figures settle down near the herd, their forms becoming one with the shadows. There is no sound but the gentle breathing of the bison and the soft sigh of the wind. It is a scene of perfect peace, a testament to a different kind of strength. A strength built on patience, harmony, and a profound respect for life. They are the silent watchmen, guarding a treasure of immense value. The new day arrives as gently as the last one departed. The sun's first rays paint the eastern sky with soft pinks and golds, slowly revealing the landscape once more. The sentinels are already awake, moving with a quiet purpose that mirrors the waking world around them. Their day is not dictated by a schedule, but by the needs of the land and its creatures. They are a part of its rhythm, an extension of its will. Their existence poses a profound question. What is the true meaning of defense? Is it about protecting borders, or is it about preserving the spirit that defines a nation? Their work is an unending watch. It will continue long after we are gone, passed down from one generation of guardians to the next. They will continue to walk with the bison, listen to the wind, and study the stars. They are the living memory of the wild, a constant reminder of a world beyond our cities and our noise. Their service is not for glory or recognition. It is a silent, selfless duty performed in the most beautiful and remote cathedrals of nature. They are protecting an idea, the idea that humanity and nature are not separate but deeply connected. As we prepare to leave this extraordinary place, we carry its silence with us. The images of the Whispering Valley, the steadfast bison, and the calm-faced sentinels are etched into our minds. We have been allowed a glimpse into a secret world, a world of profound harmony and purpose. It is a world that exists on the very edge of our imagination, a place that redefines the meaning of strength and service. The guardians of this land seek no thanks. Their reward is the continued existence of the wilderness they protect, the cry of the eagle and the rumble of the herd. What other secrets does the world hold? What other guardians stand their silent watch in forgotten corners of the globe? This journey has shown us that there is more to our world than we can ever know. Beyond the horizon, in places untouched by our modern lives, mysteries remain. And perhaps it is for the best that some secrets are kept. They inspire us to wonder, to imagine, and to remember that we are part of something much larger, much older, and much more magnificent than ourselves. The watch continues, silent and unseen,